Hello everyone, welcome back again to my cooking channel, and today I'm gonna mixing the food of the egg and also chill hot dog and green and also red pepper also and another garlic. There's so many kinds. You guys can keep watching when I cook. Okay, so now let's move to how I cook this all together. Okay, now I gonna slice the hot dog. Cut it and wash. Washing the egg. Knorr, sugar, red pepper powder, soy sauces, oyster sauces, red and green pepper. The egg on the chill. Now it's all done. Let's see, guys. Wow. Okay everyone, now the fry of the egg with the chill and topping with the hot dog is all done, and I'm gonna test with. Okay, now let's test with me. Oh. Everyone, it is really nice taste and recommend to who on diet, no meat also, guys can see is my recipe today. So if you enjoy this, don't forget to click like for supporting me, and if you want to keep watching next recipe, don't forget to subscribe also. See you guys next. Bye bye.